Sir, the second important feature of the Python is it is freeware and open source. Remember this. Sir, most of the people are having confusion. Freeware, open source, both are same or not? No, both are not same, sir. So to use a Python, how much license fee? How much fees we require to pay? Yeah, the license cost. What is the license cost to use Python? Sir, very simple. We are not required to provide. We are not required to pay single paisa also to use Python. Remember that it is a freeware. Any person can use even for business sake also. Do you know if you go for Java? Okay, Java is who is the vendor for Java? Currently, Oracle, sir. Oracle, it is the commercial business organization, right? Sir, if you go for C#.net, C#.net, sir. So who is the vendor for this? Microsoft. Okay, it is the business organization, right? But if you go for Python, so who is the vendor? Who is the responsible to maintain? No vendor, sir. There is one charitable trust. Foundation is there. That foundation is the responsible for the PSF. Okay, Python Software Foundation is the responsible for this to maintain this Python, sir. That's why it is not sir business organization. It is a non-profit organization, right? So to use a Python, we are not required to pay single paisa also. Okay, remember that. Of course, if you want to voluntarily, if you want to donate, happily you can donate for this foundation. What is that, sir? Python Software Foundation. What is the corresponding website? Python.org. From where you have to download Python is from this website only. This is from here. If you want, you can, sir, pay. You can voluntarily you can donate some amount for the software foundation. But anyway, it is the freeware. But Java from Java 11 version onwards, it is the paid version, sir. If you want to use for your personal use or business use, compulsory license must be required. .NET licensed version. Okay, but Python, it is the freeware. Happily, do you know it is the biggest asset for small scale organizations, medium scale organization. They are not in a position to pay, okay, license cost. Clear, right? So this is one another reason, sir. Definitely you should believe Python. This is also one reason, sir, because the scope of using Python is very huge. So because of it's a free cost. Okay, well, next, sir, what is open source? Very important, sir. What is the open source? The source code of the Python is open to everyone. Okay, the source code of Python is open to everyone. Assume that this is the Python source code, sir. This is the Python source code. Okay, so I feel that this source code is not going to fulfill my requirement. Then what I will do is I will change some changes. I will customize the source code, and I can use this customized version of Python, sir, to fulfill my requirement, right? Now for this Python, I want to use Durga Python. Are you getting? I want to use Durga Python. So customization for the Python is possible because of this open source. Clear, right, sir? Do you know because of their multiple flavors of Python is possible? One is Durga Python, another is Nagur Babu Python, something like next, if you want to work with Java applications, which Python we require to go for? Jython. Are you getting? Python which is customized to work with Java applications, right? Okay, like same way, if you want to work with the C#.net applications, then automatically we require to go for Iron Python. Are you getting? Don't feel Iron Python means the Python which is developed by using iron. No. The Python which can be used to work with the C#.net applications, that is called Iron Python. Okay, like, sir, do you know I want to work with big data, large volumes of data I want to handle, sir. For that, a specialized version of Python came, Anaconda Python. Are you getting, right? What is this one? Anaconda Python, like this, right? So this is the advantage of Python, sir. So for every requirement, specific version is available in the market. Happily we can use that specific version and we can fulfill our requirement. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Source code is open. Based on our requirement, we can customize Python software itself because it is the open source. Clear? For most of the programming languages, this type of facility may not be available. So this is the second feature what we have. It is the freeware, not required to pay single paisa. Next, open source. Based on our requirement, we can customize Python software, which is nothing but free, open source and freeware. Up to this, any doubt? Clear, right? Sir, up to these two features we covered, sir. Simple and easy to learn. Second one, freeware and open source. Now the next features are Python is a high level programming language. So high level programming language means programmer friendly language, not machine friendly language. Any programmer can easily read, can easily understand, can easily write the code, sir, Python. Are you getting? Suppose if I consider A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, print A plus B is there. Are you getting? Print of A plus B. Anyone can understand this code. Are you getting? Anyone can understand this code. It is a programmer friendly high level programming language. Okay, programmer friendly language, right? Next, do you know, sir, being high level programming language, we are not required to worry about low level activities. Okay, low level activities means how the memory allocated. So next, how the objects will be destroyed, how the security will be there. So such a type of low level activities, being a programmer, we are not responsible for these activities, right? So memory management, I'm not required to worry, man. Memory objects distraction, provide free space, I'm not responsible. Internally, my Python virtual machine is going to take care everything, sir. If you want to destroy some useless object, garbage collector is there. Are you getting? Next, memory allocation, internally Python is going to take care. Security, Python virtual machine is going to take care. We are not required to worry about low level activities. Clear for all of you, right? Sir, what is that? High level programming language, programmer friendly language. We are not required to worry about low level activities like memory management, security, these kind of things we are not required to worry. Clear? The next very important feature of the Python is it is a platform independent programming language. Then immediately you ask, sir, can you please explain how Python is platform independent? What is the meaning of platform independent nature? Just observe. I want to go for a C program. Assume that I have one C application is there, sir. C program is there. I have three platforms are there, means three machines are available, sir. One is Windows platform. I mean Windows machine is available with me. Next, one is okay, Linux machine is available. Linux platform is available for me. Next, another is Mac platform is available, sir. Can you please observe how many machines are there? How many platforms are there? Three platforms are available. Now I want to write a C program which should run on all these platforms. Are you getting? On all these platforms, because I want to distribute one C application for the clients who are using different platforms, right? Then what will happen is, then what I have to do is, for Windows, okay, a separate C program must be required. C application for Windows. C application for Windows. The C program which is developed for Windows operating system, Windows platform, it can't run on Linux, it can't run on Mac. That's why compulsory for every platform you have to provide that platform specific application, right? So C application for Windows I have to provide. Next, C application, okay, C application for Linux platform I have to provide. Happily it can run. Okay, next, C application for Mac we have to provide like this, right? Sir, now can you please tell how many applications are there? So 3 applications. How many platforms are available, sir? 3 platforms are available. So now, sir, C programming language is the platform dependent programming language. Remember this one, sir. So for every platform, we require to maintain separate application, separate C application. That's why this behavior is called platform dependent. Platform dependent, right? Okay, well. Sir, when compared with this approach, what is the specialty for the Python? Sir, same terminology, same cinema, we have to discuss a bit different style. Observe that, sir. I have how many platforms are there, sir? Okay, here assume that C Windows platform is there. Windows platform is there, sir. Observe a bit very carefully. Next, Linux platform is there. Linux platform is there, sir. Next, Mac platform is also there. Mac platform is also there, sir. Okay, like 3 platforms are there. Now I want to write a Python application. Sir, assume this is the Python application, right? So can you please spell out how many platforms are available? 3 platforms. How many Python applications are there? Only 1. So write the Python application once. Run anywhere on any platform, sir. We are not required to provide this is the Python application for Windows, this is the Python application for Linux, this is the Python application for Mac. Such type of stories are not required for Python. Write the Python program once and run anywhere. This concept is nothing but what, sir? Platform independent nature. Sir, how platform independent nature is coming? Very simple, sir. Do you know, if you want to run this Python application, sir, on the Windows platform, what must be required is Python virtual machine, PVM. Remember, PVM, Python virtual machine for Windows is required. If I provide my Python program to this PVM is the responsible to convert this program into Windows specific and to execute, sir. Interpret into Windows specific form and execute. Who is the responsible, sir? This PVM is the responsible. Compulsory PVM for Windows must be required. Okay. Same way, Python application, if I want to provide for Linux platform, so compulsory we require to install PVM for Linux. Compulsory we require to install PVM for Linux. This Python virtual machine for Linux is the responsible to convert this Python application into Linux specific form and execute, right? Okay. Same way, if you want to run on Mac, sir, okay, PVM for Mac must be required. Observe carefully, sir. PVM for Mac must be required. That PVM is the responsible to convert Python application into the Mac style. Sir, now my question is, here how many Python programs are available? Only one. But how many platforms are available? 3 platforms are available, sir. Write once, run anywhere. Run anywhere is the concept of platform independent nature. Who is going to take care? Platform specific conversions, Python virtual machine is going to take care. If the PVM is not there, then Python also should be platform specific. But anyway, because of this PVM, Python program is not platform dependent, it is the platform independent, right? Are you in the position to understand? Now, sir, what is platform independent nature? Write once, run anywhere. Is the concept of platform independent nature. Okay. Internally, who is the reason for platform independent nature of Python? Internally, Python virtual machine is the reason, sir. Sir, next I have one small doubt. Python is platform dependent or platform independent? Python program is platform independent, but Python virtual machine is the platform dependent, because for Windows separate PVM is required, For Linux, separate PVM is required. For Mac, separate PVM is required. So platform specific PVM we have to install, sir. Means the PVM is the platform dependent, but my Python application is the platform independent. Clear for all of it? But what about this C language? Please respond. What about the C language? C language is the platform dependent or platform independent? Platform dependent. For every platform, separate applications we have to write. For Windows, Windows a specific application. For Linux, Linux a specific application. Mac, Mac specific application we have to write. C is the platform dependent, but Python is platform independent. Clear for all of it? This is. So maybe a chance to ask, what is the meaning of platform independent nature? Can you explain how it is the platform independent? You should be in the position to tell. Clear, right? Sir, the next feature what I have to discuss, portable. Python is portable programming language. Sir, what is the meaning of portable? Can you please observe? Don't talk about programming, sir. Normal in our day-to-day life, where you had portability, like have you remembered at our childhood we had the word portable TV. Portable TV. What is the meaning of portable TV, sir? You can move that TV from one place to another place very easily. Portable 14 inches portable TV, like we can move from one place to another place very easily. Next, these days, especially in India, of course most of the countries already adapted. In India, do you know mobile number portability? Have you heard about this one, sir? Mobile number portability. Suppose currently I'm using Airtel service, right? Okay, currently I'm using Airtel mobile service I'm using, sir. My mobile number is, okay, this is my mobile number, okay, like I'm using currently Airtel service. But assume Airtel service is not good. I want to change a service provider from Airtel to Idea. Are you getting? I want to change my service provider from Airtel to Idea, sir. Idea. So now, sir, can I get the same number or not? Yes, can I get the same number or not? Without affecting your number, okay, without changing your number, you can migrate from Airtel to Idea or Idea to Airtel, no problem at all. This type of thing is called mobile number portability. Are you getting that? What is this word? Mobile number portability. Mobile number portability, right? Earlier, do you know we have, by seeing the number, is it BSNL number or is it Airtel number, we can decide, sir. 9440 BSNL number, 98494, okay, it is Airtel number, 98480 it is the Idea number. But now these days we are not having any such type of options. Are you getting? Because number will be the same, you can change your service provider. So the process of migrating mobile number from one service provider to another service provider without changing your number is called what? Mobile number portability. Clear for all of it? What is the meaning of mobile number portability? Now what is the meaning of Python application portability? I will explain. Have a look once, sir. Sir, I have one Windows machine is there. Assume that I have Windows machine is there, sir. Windows machine is there. In this Windows machine, happily my Python application is running, sir. Python app is running. But anyway, because of license issues, because of security issues, I want to move to Linux platform. Are you getting? Linux more secure. Next up for Linux, no license cost and so on. That's why I decided I want to migrate this Python application to the Linux platform, sir. Now my question is, if you are migrating to Linux machine, I want to migrate this Python application from Windows to Linux machine. Is it possible to migrate or not? Yes, because Python application never talks about underlying platform. On any platform it can run. So without performing any changes in our application or with minimum changes, you can migrate our Python programs from one platform to another platform. this is called portability. Are you getting the process of migrating application from one platform to another platform very easily? This is called what? Portability. So Python applications are portable or not? Yes, obviously this is what, right? Of course, internally platform independent nature is also one reason, is the reason, right? But migrating from one platform to another platform very easy, sir. You are not required to perform any changes in your application, which is nothing but portability concept. Any doubt? Clear?